Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build long-term wealth with PIMCO, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To build long-term wealth with PIMCO, start by understanding the company's investment philosophy. Research PIMCO's approach to fixed income and actively managed investments. Familiarize yourself with their range of investment products, including mutual funds and ETFs. Evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance before choosing investments. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Look for PIMCO funds that align with your investment strategy and timeline. Review the historical performance of various PIMCO funds to assess their track record. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized advice tailored to your situation. Regularly contribute to your investment account, even during market downturns. Diversify your portfolio by including different PIMCO products and other asset classes. Monitor your investments periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your goals. Stay informed about economic trends and market changes that could impact your investments. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Take advantage of PIMCO's research and insights to enhance your investment knowledge. Be patient and focus on the long term, avoiding impulsive decisions based on market volatility. Consider reinvesting dividends and capital gains to accelerate wealth accumulation. Keep your investment costs low by being mindful of fees associated with PIMCO products. Review your financial plan periodically and make adjustments as necessary. Set realistic expectations about your returns and the time frame needed for wealth building. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage PIMCO to build long-term wealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.